Namaste everyone, this is Miss Neha welcoming all of you in 21 days yoga series Real Life Yoga. Today we are going to see how to use wall to improve our asanas, to open up our body. So without further delay, let's get started. Simply just close your eyes. Inhale, exhale. Let's get ready for further practice. Settle down in your body. Be in present moment. Inhale, exhale. Open up your eyes. We will start with simple stretching. Take your right hand towards the left knee. Inhale and go towards the opposite side. Now you have to try to touch the wall as much as you can. Twist your body and look other side. You will enjoy this stretch, the beautiful stretch. Come another side. Now left hand, go higher and touch opposite side and look towards the right. Hold here for few seconds. Inhale, exhale, come back. Now simply just turn around towards the left side. Now here, keep little distance from the wall. Now take your hand towards the left side and go higher and try to touch the wall and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will feel major difference here because while we are doing without wall, so there are chances you will go downside or you will go back side. So perfect stretch will not be here. And while you are using the wall will give support to you and you will feel exact stretch in your waist. Now opposite side, just turn around and inhale. Keep little distance between you and wall and go lower as much as you can and feel the stretch, beautiful stretch. Very nice. Come back. Now simply lie down on your back, taking support of the wall and go near to the wall as much as you can. A few people will feel the unbearable pain in their back. In that case, you can take one pillow or one blanket and you can keep under your hip like this. With the support, you can go further. And now here, just relax, breathe in, breathe out. Take your hands upside and relax here. Now simply just take your soles towards the wall and with full support, with full force, just move higher and go into the half shoulder stand. People who cannot do Sirsasana, they can do shoulder stand, but in the starting if they can't, then they can take support of wall. Now one by one you can take support and can lift your leg up, and when you are comfortable at that time take both the legs up and go into the shoulder stand. Now come down, take the support of the wall and keep your hip down slowly. Now you will take left hand towards your left side and hold here at 90-degree angle. You will feel the stretch in your thigh, left thigh, You will feel that the muscle is melting here. You are releasing stretch and will enjoy this moment. Now slowly come back and go opposite. Feel the stretch here. Inhale, exhale and come back. Now simply just take both the legs in, soles. Now simply take soles together and keep here. Now push your thigh little bit. Believe me, just try it out. You will literally feel that you are opening your thigh muscles. Inhale, exhale and keep doing it with full control. Now simply come back. Now another stretch one more time. Just take your legs down and press towards the stomach. Person who are suffering from gastric problems, they will feel relaxed over here. It is Pavan Muktasana, but while you are using wall to do this asana, you will get support and your posture will be correct in alignment, so result will be visible. Now go higher, again come back, press your legs towards the stomach, hold here for few seconds and relax. See you tomorrow same time on the mat. By that time, take very good care of yourself. Blessings to you. Namaste.